This video explains how to use our Docs feature to convert your Kiroku notes into custom, ready-to-send letters in just one click. This allows you to send perfect patient letters, referrals, and consent forms in a fraction of the time. To use Docs, you'll need to have a Pro subscription. You can start a free Pro trial from the Docs tab in your Kiroku sidebar. Many of our stock templates have stock docs already attached. You can identify which templates have docs attached by the red-orange icon in the top right corner. In the Docs tab, you can see all of your Docs templates grouped under the Notes template they are attached to. As with our Notes templates, Docs are fully customizable and can be adjusted to suit your needs and preferences, including adding personal headers and footers. If required, we can also create custom docs for you from scratch. If you need any help creating or customizing your docs, please reach out to our support team by email, online chat, or WhatsApp. To generate a doc, you first need to complete a set of notes using a Notes template with a document attached. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find a section called Generate Docs. Here you can select the doc type or letter you wish to generate. You are then taken to the Docs interface. Here you can see your appointment notes on the left and the letter which has been generated on the right. The letter generated is specific to this appointment. Sections and details are populated depending on what's been entered in the notes. For instance, if it's noted the patient is a smoker, smoking cessation advice may be shown in the letter. If it's not noted, this section will not be included. To complete the letter, you'll need to add the variables found in the top left section of the screen. This will include the patient's name and potentially other patient-specific details such as their address. After these have been filled in, you'll have the ability to make adjustments to the letter if required. You can free type, change formatting, and add additional images such as X-rays. When your letter is complete, you can download it as a PDF or Word document by selecting the Download button in the top panel. To email your letter to the patient, click the Send button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the sending portal. You can choose to send the letter as a PDF or as a tracked doc. If you send it as a tracked doc, you have the ability to monitor when the document has been opened and, if there's an e-signature, when it's been signed. Next, add the patient's email address. You can also adjust the reply to email address if you wish. For instance, if you wanted to change this to your practice email address. The email subject and body will be auto-populated, and you can adjust this also. Finally, press Send. You can see the status of your doc from the Sent section of your Docs tab. The status will show as either sent, read, or signed. This status will update in real time as the recipient completes these steps. To view or resend a doc, hover your cursor over it, and these options will appear on the right. To download a doc as a PDF, hover over it and select View. Then, in the top bar, select Download. That's the basics of using Docs. If you have any further questions, please reach out by email, online chat, or WhatsApp.